Hey friends. How are y'all doing? I hope you all are doing very great. So I am gonna ask you a question. Are you not bored of using this same ChatGPT every day? Well, I am. So in this video, I am going to show you how you can change your ChatGPT interface from this to this. Doesn't it look super cool and futuristic? Like the AI from movies. Like in Matrix movie series. Well, to change that to this is super duper easy. It's just 2 steps. Well, first of all, we are going to download this Chrome extension. Its name is My Style and it allows us to insert custom CSS into pages, immediately see the visual results, and have that CSS persist for future visits. Well, you don't have to know much about it. Just download it and first step is done. Well, second step is to go to this GitHub link and do what I do. Just copy the CSS and that's it. I will give all the links on the description. Now go to your boring ChatGPT interface and press Ctrl M and a box will pop up. Just paste the CSS you copied. And you are good to go. And that's it. See, it is working perfectly, and also it will persist even if you do refresh or come after 10 days. It will work perfectly. And if you get bored of this, then just come here again and press Ctrl M again, the box will pop up again with all the CSS, so just clear the CSS and you will have your boring ChatGPT interface again. So goodbye for today friends. Please friend, I would be very grateful if you help me by subscribing me. Please subscribe. And I swear I will continue to create awesome contents every day. Thanks again for watching this video. And I will see you on the next one.